Hi, my name is Amy Bordy. I want to talk to you today about coastal wetland ecosystems. We've been doing research with others around the Pacific Northwest to better understand these ecosystems. And one of the most interesting things is really what you can't see. So we've been looking at the below ground carbon storage of these ecosystems. We take a core several meters down below the surface of the ground, and we sample, dry, measure the carbon content. And what we found is that these ecosystems in the Northwest are very productive, and they store more carbon than most other ecosystems in the world. So this points to the importance of conserving, preserving, and restoring these ecosystems to provide this very important function. Thank you for visiting with me today in our beautiful coastal wetland here at the Marine Sciences Lab.